What's going on, everybody? I'm back again with another video. Still reeling about the car, but I'm gonna try to put that behind me and move on to other things. Now, normally what I like to do when I'm stressed or just as a hobby, I like to build Lego sets. I have a Volkswagen bus, an R8, and a small little Beetle, which I will cut to now. This one is a 3-in-1 builder, I forget whatever the name is, but it actually has a working door mechanism. Flip the spoiler down, gull-wing doors. I like this one. The bus, my wife bought this for me for I think my birthday or Christmas a few years back. This was really fun to put together, and I'm looking for the bigger size Beetle. I bought this smaller size one. I'm looking for the bigger size soon. That's gonna be my next project, hopefully, and I have the R8 race car. So, just made it back from Walmart, and I saw these at the Toys R Us in Atlanta, and I didn't pick one up at the time, but I did grab the Ironman brick heads this time. It's a Marvel themed Lego, and I'm gonna put this one together tonight and maybe or maybe not bring it to work because I think it's pretty cool. Let's see what happens. Got the instructions here. This kit has 101 pieces. It says ages 10 and up, but I'm pretty sure a younger kid could put this together. It doesn't look too complicated. So I'm gonna start working on this and get this over with. Now I got a decent pile of Lego blocks. Now normally I see this work. Let's see if it broken. Maybe this finger. Well guys, if you like random videos like these about other things that I'm into, like, I don't know, whatever the case may be, shoot a like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below, and you know, if something comes up and comes along, I'll post a video about it. Because like I said, this isn't going to be only about cars. It's about a little bit of everything that I'm into, and I'm into a lot of things apparently. So, see you guys next time.